Alright, so today's video I'm going to show you 6 must-have applications / tweaks from Cydia that you need to get immediately after you jailbreak. Alright, so let's get started. These are in no particular order, but the first thing I'm going to show you is cyDelete, which lets you delete your Cydia apps from your Springboard. So here's YouTube to MP3, which I'll show you later in the video. It lets you delete right from the Springboard. You got your X just like you would anything else, and I'll show you one other one. So if I would go to here, Screen Splitter also has an X, so just lets you do that. Really good app. I love it. Alright, so the second thing I'm going to show you is Barrel, which changes how your applications move from one thing to the next. So it's not a very useful thing, I guess. It just kind of makes it look cool. So there's tons of options. This one's Pac-Man, and it makes it look like a Pac-Man, I guess, when you switch pages. But there's plenty of things you can change it to, so I'll try a different one. I'll change it to merry-go-round and see what that does. And it kind of just makes it look like a merry-go-round. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this is really cool for the appearance of your iPod, so this is definitely one that I get just to make my iPod look sweet. Alright, so the third thing I'm going to show you is YouTube to MP3, which lets you download YouTube videos and change them into MP3. I really like it. So I'm not going to play anything for you, but you can go to charts and get stuff, but I'm just going to search. I'm going to see if my video shows up. Try to do that, but I don't know if it'll show up, but it lets you download them and change them into MP3. I might demonstrate if it works. So I don't know if that'll work. It might. Ah, there it is, my very first video on how to get Siri dictation. So I'll try to convert that. And it should work. I'll shut it off and come back when it's complete. Alright, so instead I'm just going to show you it's downloading it right now. And then it finished. And then if I go to turn the volume up, and there it is, the voice of me. Alright, so that's really cool. Alright, and the fourth thing is Ifile, which lets you browse your file system. And I don't really know what I'm not going to really show you anything on this because I don't really have anything to do. But you can just see everything on here. You can see all your applications as files. So you can get into all of them. I don't know what this is, Jetpack. So it's really cool for that kind of thing. And you can get certain files off your iPod, and that's just really cool. I really like this. So you have to have a little knowledge or some sort of tutorial to see how to do it, but I definitely get this. It's needed for a lot of things. Alright, so the fifth thing is SBSSettings, which on iOS 5 is pretty cool because you can have it in your notification center. So here it is. I have it in my notification center. So you can change all your stuff. Turn it on airplane, turn your Bluetooth on, brightness, data, location, processes. You can see everything that's running. Wi-Fi, you can turn that on and off. And you have more options, which you can get a lot of stuff. I'm not going to go into that. You can respring. You can click the power and have options for that. And then you can do the drop down window, which brings it back to the original thing, which shows all your same exact thing just in your drop down window, except if you have a dock, so you can put stuff in your dock that you don't want to be shown on your actual thing. So there's that. It's pretty cool. I really like it. It does has quite a few options or more actually. That you can get battery percentage and a bunch of other stuff, and this you can get this so you can respring your device. So this is something I get like right after I jailbreak, so I'd highly suggest getting this. Alright, and the last thing is Winterboard, because it wouldn't be a must-have things that you need right after you jailbreak if I didn't put Winterboard on there. So I'm gonna put Winterboard on there, and most of you probably already know what that is, but it just lets you change your theme. I don't currently have a theme. I don't really have any that I haven't had before that I feel like putting on my device. So right now I'm just using a regular wallpaper. Eventually I'll probably put a theme on, but I don't use any. I'll see if I have any that I can put on there. I guess I'll just do Glass Card HD folders. I don't know if this is compatible with iOS 5. I know Glass Card is, but I don't know if this actually is. You have to respring, so I'll be back when it's done. Alright, so there's the Glass Card folders. They're like see-through, so you can see through them. They're pretty cool. I think I might even leave that on. I didn't realize I had that. So Winterboard must have. Get that right away. I haven't been using it, but if you haven't been jailbreaking for a long time and haven't been using Winterboard, there's lots of good themes out there. I get tired of them, so I just went to a regular one, and it's almost Christmas, so went with the Christmas background. So yeah, please like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.